Sup, bitches?
Shout out to my mini-me's. I hope you do better, bro. Better me, better you, etc.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. All my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for continuing to support. Also, on my new subscribers, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the channel. And who else I gotta shout out? Oh yeah, anyone that's new watching this video for the first time, I don't know why you're wasting time. You already know what to do. Click that subscribe bell right here. I'm gonna give you a few seconds to do that. Right there, just click it. Now, thank you. So, also hit that bell too, so you can know when I'm providing new content. Cause you fucked me up.
Oh, you had got so far.
I got far where?
You was recording, nigga. You better.
Well, I can edit that shit out.
Yeah, you better.
So yes, I am back 2020. I know the consistency been, but I'm trying. So now I don't have to work all those extra hours no more because the holidays are over. Thank God. Now I could do more videos and more content finally. So today in this video, I'm going to flat iron this wig. This wig is from Sensationals. It's Reyna. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for the review and everything and how I did it. This was like a real popular wig for a while. This wig is still kind of holding up, but it's a lot sometimes. It gets really tangled and matted. So I'm gonna flat iron this because I just like this lace, and I'm not wasting this wig. This wig wasn't cheap and I don't want to waste it because it's tangled and messed up. I'm gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna straighten and flat iron it real quick, and so stay tuned. Okay, so I part this into 4 sections, and then I part like one of those 4 sections into like 4 more subsections, I guess. And like I said, the lace is perfect. My issue with this hair, it gets tangled very quickly, and to be honest, I probably wore this hair like this twice and it didn't last. It won't even last you for a week. So that was my issue with that. I couldn't really wear it how I wanted to wear it. I do have pictures that I'm gonna put to show you what it looked like before I'm doing all of this and when it was in a good state. So like I said, I parted it and I sprayed it with water. That's water in that spray. I don't really soak it, but just get it wet enough. That don't sound right. But yeah, just get it really wet enough so you could comb those tangles out. As you can see, I'm really struggling trying to take these tangles out. Like, it is really horrible, but I did it. I don't know how I did it. I guess it took a lot of time and patience. Just remember to start brushing from the end, then work your way up. So then I flat iron it. I do the, my go-to, the 2 slow strokes. Make sure you spray it with a lot of water as well so you won't burn the synthetic fibers. Okay, you guys, so this is what Reyna looks like when I'm done flat ironing it, and I want to rock it like this. I think this is so cute, but my issue is the ends. Like, it gets really tangled, and that's why I straightened it in the first place, because the curls was getting too tangled for me and it was aggravating. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this into like a bob, probably. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it into a bob. So stay tuned. So this is the final look. This is how I turned Sensationals Reyna into a short sleek bob. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. Again, thanks for watching and bye.